ship-killing torpedoes in action. In the course of her extended movement and modernisation between 1956 and 1959, HMS Belfast's torpedo tubes were removed, and the open waist largely plated over to provide more storage space and improved accommodation for her ship's company. You should now continue leading back onto HMS Belfast quarterdeck.
Co lo sto facendo io?
You are now standing on the starboard side of HMS Belfast's upper number 2 deck. Immediately in front of you is a 21-inch Mark 9 torpedo, the standard torpedo used by surface warships of the Royal Navy both during and immediately after the Second World War. Very similar weapons were carried by British submarines. Smaller, lightweight 18-inch torpedoes were developed for use by aircraft and by fast coastal craft. All the torpedoes produced by the major naval powers during the Second World War were designed as ship killers for use against surface vessels, and it was not until after 1945 that deep-diving homing torpedoes were developed for anti-submarine warfare. HMS Belfast